Hello students, welcome in World of Science. Today we are discuss about topic number 17, man-made material. What is mean by man-made material? Let's start with introduction. Students, in our day-to-day life, different materials present around us. In that some are man-made and some are natural. Then what is mean by man-made material and what is mean by natural material? Natural material means these materials present in our nature. For example, water, soil, air, wood, cottons. These are the natural material. Man using this natural material in their day-to-day life and prepare a different material from it. For example, with the help of wood we can prepare table, chair, etc. With the help of cotton we can make a threads, clothes, etc. But some materials are totally man-made. What is mean by man-made material? Those materials are manufactured in the factories. This kind of material is known as a man-made material. Are you know what is the man-made material? Or tell me some examples of man-made material. For example, plastic, thermocol, glass, etc. These are the man-made materials. In this topic, we are discussing these man-made material. Let's start with the plastic. Plastic is the most important man-made material we are using in day-to-day life. Our all articles are made with the plastic. Up to the toothbrush, to the table, chairs, all kind of cookwares, all kind of wrappers, bottles, and all kind of electrical appliances. These all materials are made up of plastic. In short, we can say that it is the world of plastic and we cannot live without plastic because today it is not alternative sources are present to the plastic. Then which properties are present in the plastic? That's why we are using in our day-to-day life. Okay, let's start and understand the properties of plastic. Okay, the material, okay, we can already see that what is mean by man-made material. Those materials which are manufactured in factories, this material is known as a man-made material. And first man-made material is a plastic. Plastic is an organic polymer. Okay, polymer means what? It is the long carbon chain-like structure. This structure is either linear or in a circular form. So plastic is made up of a organic polymer. The plastic is again divided into two types according to their nature. These two types are thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. What is meant by thermoplastic? Those plastic with the help of heat are molten in our wish and can be easily converted into all kind of shape. This kind of plastic is known as a thermoplastic. For example, plastic dish, bowls, okay, etc. These are the thermoplastic. Or PVC pipes, this is also included in a thermoplastic because it is easily molten and converted into any kind of shape. This kind of plastics is known as a thermoplastic. Another type of plastic is a thermosetting plastic. Some plastics does not mold or convert in any kind of shape. They are molded in a particular shape and it does not affect with the help of heat. For example, electrical switch, handle of pressure cooker, handle of electric wires, istri, etc. These all plastics are included in a thermosetting plastic. These thermosetting plastic or this kind of plastic does not affected by the heat. But the thermosetting plastic or thermoplastic are easily affected by the heat. With the help of heat, it is easily molten and manufactured by any kind of shape. But the handle of pressure cooker, handle of istri are not molten in any kind of shape or it is does not affected by the heat. Okay, these are the two types of the plastic. Okay, then we have to again understand the properties of the plastic. which properties are present in the plastic that is why we can use in day-to-day life. The first property of plastic is it having a plasticity. In Marathi plasticity means आकार्यता. प्लास्टिकला हवा तसा आकार देता येतो, हव्या त्या रंगामध्ये त्या आपल्याला काय होऊ शकतं, उपलब्ध होऊ शकतं. त्यामुळे प्लास्टिकच्या गुणधर्माला प्लास्टिसिटी असं म्हटलं जातं. सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी इज plastic does not decompose. Okay, it is the important property of plastic. It does not decompose. Means विघटन, प्लास्टिकचं विघटन होत नाही. That is why it is many articles are made up of the plastic. And also heat, water, humidity does not affect with the plastic. हवेतील आर्द्रतेचा किंवा पाण्याचा किंवा उष्णतेचा प्लास्टिकवरती कोणताही परिणाम होत नाही. त्यामुळे त्याचं विघटन प्रक्रिया होत नाही. त्यामुळे थोडक्यात प्लास्टिक हा अविघटनशील पदार्थ आहे किंवा त्यालाच आपण काय म्हणणार आहोत, प्लास्टिक डज नॉट डिकम्पोज. इट टेक्स लॉंग पिरियड ऑफ टाइम फॉर द डिकम्पोज. ओके, नेक्स्ट, प्लास्टिक इज अ बॅड कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट अँड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. सो दॅट इज वाय in our many electric appliances and many non-stick cookwares present or coating of a plastic. Okay, it is important property and one question is present normally, why the handles of cookware made up of plastic or why the electrical appliances having a plastic coating. The answer of this question is the plastic is a bad conductor of heat and electricity. बऱ्याचदा असा प्रश्न विचारला जातो विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो की आपले जे नॉनस्टिक कुकवेअर असतात किंवा इस्त्रीचा हँडल असतो किंवा प्रेशर कुकरचे हँडल असतात हे प्लास्टिकने का बनलेले असतात किंवा इलेक्ट्रिक वायर्स जे असतात त्याचं कोटिंग प्लास्टिकनं का बनलेलं असतं. तर ह्या प्रश्नाचं उत्तरच काय आहे की प्लास्टिक हा उष्णतेचा काय आहे, दुर्वाहक आहे. म्हणजे तो उष्णता वाहून नेऊ शकत नाही. त्यामुळे सुरक्षिततेसाठी नॉनस्टिक कुकर किंवा ह्याचे जे हँडल्स असतात ते प्लास्टिकने काय केलेले असतात, बनलेले असतात. त्यामुळे त्याचं उत्तर काय आहे, बिकॉज प्लास्टिक इज अ बॅड कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट अँड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. सो देअर फोर मेनी नॉनस्टिक कुकवेअर्स अँड इस्त्री, pressure cooker having a plastic handles and also the all electrical appliances having the coating of plastic. Next property is plastic does not corrode. Corrode म्हणजे काय, गंजणी. प्लास्टिक कधीही गंजत नाही. गंजत नाही का गंजत नाही तर त्याच्यावरती तापमानाचा, आर्द्रतेचा आणि पाण्याचा कोणताही परिणाम होत नाही. या तिन्ही गोष्टीचा परिणाम होत असेल तरच त्या वस्तू गंजतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल द्यायचं झालं तर लोखंड गंजतात परंतु प्लास्टिक गंजत नाही. त्यामुळं बरेचसे एन्व्हलप्स किंवा बरेचसे कोटिंग हे प्लास्टिकपासूनच बनवलेले असतात. ओके, लेट्स सी these properties again. This is the important properties of plastic. Plastic having a plasticity, it does not decompose and it is bad conductor of heat and electricity and plastic does not corrode. These are the important properties of plastic. That is why we can use this plastic in day-to-day life. We also studied about the thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. Let's discuss the types and uses of these different kind of the plastic with the help of chart.
Students, let's discuss about types and uses of the plastic. Look at this chart. In this chart, some types of plastic and their uses are given. First is polyvinyl chloride, that is PVC. PVC is used in bottles, raincoat, pipes, handbags, shoes, electrical cable insulation, furniture, ropes, toys, etc. Next type of plastic is polystyrene. It is also known as PS type of plastic. The thermo-insulating parts of electric appliances like refrigerator, gears of machines, toys, protective covering like covers of CD and DVD, etc. are made up of polystyrene. Next one is polyethylene. It is also known as a PE. This is made up of milk bags, packing bags, flexible garden pipes, etc. All of this material is made up of polyethylene. Next type of plastic is polypropylene, PP. The parts of loudspeaker and vehicles, ropes, mattresses, laboratory appliances are made up of polypropylene, and these all types of plastic are included in a thermoplastic. Another type of plastic is a thermosetting plastic. In that, the four type of plastics are given. Okay, first one is a bakelite. The cabinets of radio, TV, telephones, electric switches, toys, then coverings over handles of cooker, etc. are made up of the bakelite plastic. Next is melamine. Domestical useful items like cups, saucers, plates, tray, some spray parts of the aeroplane engine, electric and sound insulating covering, etc. are made up of melamine plastic. Next one is polyethylene. The surfing boards, small boats, furniture, seats in vehicles are made up of polyethylene. Last type of plastic is polyester. The fiberglass, toners of laser printers, textile industries are used in polystyrene type of plastic. These both plastic, that is thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic, is used in day-to-day life in huge number. So our day-to-day life, the plastic is an essential material. Okay, let's discuss one more important properties or importance and uses of the plastic with the help of the next chart. Students, see this chart. In this chart, some more important properties and uses of plastics are given. Plastic is used in healthcare sector, for example, syringes or saline bottles, etc. Vessels used to cook food in microwave oven are made up of plastic. Vehicles are coated with the Teflon to protect from the scratches. Teflon is a type of plastic. Okay, it is the important objective type of question comes from this point. The vehicles are coated with dash dash plastic. Your answer is a Teflon. There are more than 2000 different types of plastics are present and they are used in different kind of material. Some type of plastic are used in assembling some part of airplane. Polyacrylic is a type of plastic used for manufacturing lens and artificial teeth. With the help of this chart, we understood that the plastic is also used in medical sector, hospitals, different kind of industries, and also our houses, and their day-to-day life is also increasing by day-to-day life. So this is the important properties and uses of the plastic in healthcare sector. Students, look at the next chart. In this chart, some materials are given and their degradation periods are also given. We also studied about the plastic is a non-degradable material. It takes a long time for degradation. Let's understood the different time period degradable material. First one is vegetables. Vegetables degrade or decompose 1 to 2 weeks. So, vegetables are the degradable materials. Second one is a cotton cloth. Cotton cloth degrade for 1 year. So, it is also degradable material. Next one is a wood. Wood takes 10 to 15 years for degradation. So, wood is also degradable material. These three materials, that is vegetable, cotton cloth, wood, are organic matters. Okay, and this is the natural material. So it are all these are the degradable material. Let's see about the plastic. Plastic takes thousands of years for degradation and it is non-degradable material. So, it is non-degradable material, therefore it is harmful for our nature. In the next point, let's discuss about the plastic and environment, and plastic causes different adverse effect on environment. So let's discuss this point.
Students, we are discuss about the types of plastic and their uses. Let's discuss the plastic and our environment. Plastic is a non-degradable material, so therefore it is not decomposed easily. So the long period of time it is kept in an environment and it releases poisonous effect on soil and also in a human being. So it is harmful for our environment as well as our health also. The different kind of plastic present of different types of chemicals and which is harmful to our environment and also in our body. So what is the solution for this? Avoid the use of plastic as possible and recycle the plastic waste. The both things are very important for saving of our environment. Okay, for this the 4R cycle is given for your book for recycling the plastic material, that is reduce, reuse, recycle and recover. Only with the help of this 4R system we can dissolve or reduce the problems of plastic. So it is very essential for conserve our environment from the plastic. The next man-made material is a thermocol. Okay, let's discuss about the properties of the thermocol and what is the bad effect on the thermocol. Thermocol is made up of polystyrene chemical. Okay, it is the harmful chemical present in thermocol and with the help of this chemical thermocol is made. Then what is the main property of the thermocol? That is why we can use this material. Thermocol is the best shock absorbent material. So it is used in a packing material for transporting delicate material for electrical appliances, glass appliances, etc. Okay, for it is used as a packing material because thermocol is a shock absorbent material. The thermocol having a low degree temperature. For example, at the 100 degrees Celsius, it is easily melt or solid thermocol is converted into liquid thermocol and liquid thermocol are easily converted into solid material. So therefore, the making articles from the thermocol it is very easy. We can make a cup, dish, plates from the thermocol, but it is very dangerous for our health. The thermocol is also bad effect on our environment as well as on our body. What is the bad effect of thermocol? First is the thermocol causes the blood cancer. If we are continuous contact with the thermocol or any food material kept in a thermocol or cups or dishes which is made up of the thermocol, the styrene material dissolve in a food particles and which is the very dangerous in our body. This styrene material which is dissolved or mixed in food material, it causes the blood cancer. Two type of blood cancers are present, that is leukemia and lymphoma. These kind of disease happens in our body. If the thermocol burn, it releases the poisonous gases and it causes the air pollution. Next is the problems of those human beings are continuous contact with the thermocol or those peoples are work in a thermocol factories. These peoples are continuous contact with the thermocol or styrene material. Those people are having different kind of problems for irritation of eyes, skin diseases, digestive system diseases and respiratory system diseases. Those pregnant woman is also contact with the styrene material or thermocol. It is also causes the miscarriage. So it is the very dangerous chemical present in a thermocol. So avoid this using of thermocol material as a packing of food material because it is very harmful to our health. So dear student, today we are discussing the two important man-made material. First is a plastic and second one is a thermocol. Let's see the properties again. The properties of plastic is it having a plasticity. Plastic does not decompose, it does not corrode and it is also having the different color and having mold in any shape. The properties of thermocol is it is made up of styrene and it can be also molded into any kind of shape and it is the best shock absorber. Okay, but the both plastic and thermocols, both material are the non-degradable material. It does not decompose, so it is very harmful for our environment as well as our health. So avoid the use of plastic and thermocol and save our environment as well as the human being. Okay student, in the next video we are discuss about the man-made material, that is glass, their properties and the uses. Till then you have to solve the question and answer present in your exercise. See you in next video with next point. Thank you.